A sector commander level meeting was held on the 1st of November 2022 between Border Security Force and Border Guard Bangladesh at BOP Kilapara district, West Garo Hills in Meghalaya. The BSF delegation was led by Harmeet Singh, DIG, Sector HQ BSF Tura, and the BGB delegation was led by Mohammed Mahmudur Rehman, Deputy Director General, Sector Commander BGB, Maimin Singh, Bangladesh. Before the meeting began, Sector Commander BGB, Maimin Singh, Bangladesh, Mohammed Mahmudur Rehman and Shri Harmeet Singh, Deputy Inspector General HQ Tura Sector BSF, laid wreaths at War Memorial Kilapara. While in the meeting, commanders of both the border guarding forces discussed on various border-related issues, which include trans-border crimes, illegal sand mining, illegal cattle grazing, etc. Both the sides agreed to strengthen existing cordial and good relations further to ensure peace and tranquility on both sides of the border.